नमस्ते बच्चों। Today we are going to see part 4 lesson 4 हमसे खो गई। हमसे खो गई। हंसना माने to laugh। को माने loss। ओके माँ, हमसे खो गई। ओके, I lost my laugh। Okay ma'am? Yes. Now children, please take your reader and underline the hard words so that it will be very easy when you learn. Okay ma'am? Yes. Now let us start. रोहन ने अपनी प्रिय पुस्तक में एक चुटकुला पढ़ा। ओके मैम, द नेम ऑफ दिस बॉय इज रोहन। अपनी प्रिय पुस्तक माने रीडर। ओके, बुक। पुस्तक माने बुक। एक चुटकुला माने ये जोक या जोक। ओके, ही रेड ए जोक इन हिज बुक। उसे बहुत हंसी आई। ओके, बहुत माने मोर। ओके माँ, हंसी माने लाफ। ओके, so he laughed a lot. Okay, after he read a joke, he started laughing. Okay, again and again and again. He couldn't control himself and he started laughing. रोहन हंसते हंसते लोट पोट खो गया। That is laughing and laughing and he started laughing aloud. Okay ma'am, वह खालाबाजियां खाने लगा। खालाबाजियां माने somersaults. Okay ma? Yes, he has started doing somersault. So that much he was very happy after read a joke in a book. जैसा ही कूदा कि बिस्तर से नीचे आ गिरा। चलन, कूदना माने to jump. Okay ma? जैसे ही कूदा, so very casually he was jumping. Okay ma? कि बिस्तर माने बेड से from नीचे माने डाउन। ओके माँ, ऊपर अप, नीचे डाउन, ऊपर नीचे। ओके, गिरा माने फॉल। ओके, गिर गया माने फॉलन डाउन। ओके, नीचे गिर गया माने he has fallen down. So I'll explain you children. जैसे ही कूदा कि बिस्तर से नीचे आ गिरा. So very casually he was jumping on the bed. Then what happened? He has fallen down. रोहन रोने लगा. Okay, Rohan has started crying. He is crying a lot. रोते रोते उसकी नज़र सामने शीशे पर पड़ी। चिल्ड्रन, शीशे माने मिरर। ओके माँ, सो देयर इज ए मिरर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम। रोते रोते, ओके, ही इज क्राइंग, उसकी नज़र, हिज साइट, ओके, हैज फॉलन in front of a mirror. Okay, there is a mirror in front of him, so he is looking into the mirror. सोचने लगा, अरे मेरी हंसी कहाँ गई? Okay, has started thinking. सोचने लगा माने he has started thinking. अरे मेरी हंसी, oh my laugh, कहाँ गई? Where it has gone. Okay, so Rohan has started thinking. वह तो हर समय मेरे मुंह पर रहती थी। हर समय माने all the time. Okay ma? Yes. So Rohan is telling by himself that where my laugh has gone, it will be always on my face. Okay, so he was thinking like that. बस रोहन अपनी हंसी ढूंढने लगा. Okay, now what he is doing children? Now he has started searching his laugh. Okay, so he understood that his laugh has lost somewhere inner or around. Okay, in and around. So he has started searching his loft. ढूंढने लगा. बिस्तर पर देखा. बिस्तर माने bed. Okay, so he is looking on his bed. Here and there he is seeing, everywhere he is seeing. Okay, पलंग के नीचे देखा. पलंग माने cot. Okay, so he is looking under the cot. हंसी कहीं भी ना थी. Okay, हंसी माने love. Okay, so the love is not anywhere over there. हमसे कहीं भी ना थी. Okay, he couldn't find his love anywhere. It is not there anywhere. Okay, उसने अलमारी में देखा. अलमारी माने अलमीरा. Okay, so he is searching in the अलमारी. Okay, मेज पर देखा. He saw on the table. Okay, but his love is not anywhere over there. फिर कुछ सोच कर. Okay, सोचना माने to think. Okay, कुछ सोच कर, for thinking a while. Okay, so he is thinking a while. शीशे में देखा. शीशे माने mirror. Okay ma? Yes. So शीशे में देखा पर नहीं. शीशे में देखा पर नहीं. रोहन का मुंह तो वैसा ही उदास था. उदास माने sad. Okay ma'am. So when he looked at the mirror, he saw his sad face. Okay. गालों पर आंसू भी थे. Okay. So he can see his tears was there on his neck. Okay. That is the tears. Okay, is rolled over his cheeks and it came to its neck. So he can see the neck is wet and he can understand that he cried a lot. Okay, now रोहन पुस्तक पढ़ रहा था. उसने सोचा कहीं उसमें तो नहीं रह गई. Actually on the beginning of the lesson, children, he was having a book. Okay, in that book only he read the joke. So he thought that his love may be inside that book. Okay, so he went on search of his book and he got his book now. Okay, so he has started to open his book. All the pages slowly he is moving all the pages. Rohan pustak पढ़ रहा था. Okay, he was reading the book on the beginning. उसने सोचा, so he thought, कहीं उसी में तो नहीं रह गई. Maybe his love is there inside the book. So he started searching inside the book. पुस्तक पलटने लगा. Okay, he was moving all the pages. Okay, one by one the pages he is moving. पर हंसी ना दिखी. But his love was not there inside the book. Okay, it is not inside the book also. अच्छा, तो कमरे से बाहर गई होगी. So what Rohan thought, children? So he thought maybe his love has gone outside. Okay, it may gone outside of the house. बाहर माने outside. कमरे माने room. Okay, so Rohan thought कमरे से बाहर गई होगी. It may gone outside of his room. Then वह भागा भागा बाहर गया. Rohan, what he did? He was running and going outside. Okay, भागा माने ran. He ran outside of his room. आंगन में भी वह कहीं न मिली. आंगन माने courtyard, entrance of the house. Okay ma? Yes, it was not there in the outside, that is in the entrance of his house. माँ पिताजी के कमरे में भी नहीं थी. So what Rohan did actually, children? After searching everywhere, he went inside his parents' room. Okay, माँ माने mother, पिता माने father. माँ पिताजी के कमरे, कमरे माने room. Okay, so he went inside his parents' room. He thought his love may be inside their parents' room.
माँ पिताजी के कमरे में भी नहीं थी. It was not there in their parents' room.
Okay, children? Yes. Hope you understood this lesson very well. Kindly subscribe to our channel and give your valuable comments and likes. Thank you, children. Dhanyavad.